Waking up dead inside of my head will never, never do. There is no medicine to take. I've had a chance to be insane asylum from the falling rain. I've had a chance to break. It's so bad, it's got to be good. Mysterious girl, misunderstood, dressed like a wedding cake. Any other day and I might play a funeral march for Barney Bray. Why try and run away? She worked in a stall, she knew not what her life was for. She barely knew her name. They tried to tell her she would never be as happy as a girl in a magazine. She bought it with her pay. So much to say, they talk their lives away. Don't even hesitate. Walking on down to the burial ground, it's a very old dance with Mary.